Hello traders, welcome to this channel. So this is a platform where I teach you the most simplest forex trading strategy using top-down analysis to speculate price direction. Okay, so this is Morix Trading Institute, and if this happens to be your first time coming across this channel, do well to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I make post of new videos. So very quickly guys, let's run through the top down analysis. And by the way, this is USD. Okay, actually this is DXY. It simply means USD. Okay, so what DXY does is to tell you price, the dollar direction in the forex market. Now we do not trade DXY. In case you do not know, we do not trade DXY because it is just the dollar currency. But however, we have the EURUSD, GBPUSD, XAUUSD. So any pair attached to the dollar currency, any currency asset or whatever that is attached to the dollar currency, it simply means that it's tradable. Okay, so we trade the forex market with a paired currency, not just a currency. Not just a currency. Okay, so very quickly, like I said, I will show you how I trade the forex market or how I approach the forex market. So very quickly, this is the weekly time frame. I first start my analysis from the weekly time frame, and what I do on the weekly time frame is to spot out the previous week price opening and closing. Okay, so price started the previous week. It closed at this point here. This is the premium where price got to the previous week. I think I'm not resting it correctly. Yeah, so this was the point where price got to the previous week and closed, and this was um, the support level. We have the resistance level here, and we have the support level here. So this green candle represents the previous week. Remember, the chart is currently on a weekly time frame, and this red candle in front represents this current week. Today is Tuesday, and I'm recording this video. I think what's the time now? 2 p.m. 2 a.m. Sorry, I'm recording this video 2 a.m. So now what should we do? Now instead of going on the daily time frame, I will quickly tune to the 4 hours time frame, so that I can do my analysis as quick as possible. So what we have here on the 4 hours time frame, we have series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, blah blah blah. A trend happening, okay? An internal trend in this range. An internal trend happening in this range. We had price break the structure here. Let's extend it to this point here, or better still, let me use this horizontal line to spot out the level. So we have price broke this resistance here and went all the way up, tap at the resistance of the closing session of the previous week, right? And then we currently have price retracing back. Now what we usually do is to spot out our premium and discount level. So what I do is I will identify my premium and discount level, and this is it. This is my premium and this is my discount level, and this is the area where I am expecting price to come into and then confirm my entry bias. Okay, so price might decide to dip down, possibly to maybe this level here, to this zone here. We never can tell, before pushing all the way up. Okay, so any of this, we anticipate price reaction for a confirmation, either this level here, or this very one for entry confirmation. Let me change the color of this one to something like this. So like I said, this is a break of structure. Price broke the structure, and we're expecting price to come here. We do not trade when price is in the middle. Let me redo it again. When price is, as we expect price to come into this zone here, as we expect price to come into the zone here, this is the premium. Like I said, this is a discount. We are expecting to see price dip below the 50%. If price is within the 50%, this is the equilibrium, the center. If price is within 50%, it is not advisable for us to convincingly pick a trade. So what we should do is to expect price to dip down to this level here, or this, then we execute our entry with a confirmation. So if you have no idea of how my entry confirmations are, maybe you watch my previous videos, because I don't want to make this video too long, or make a request in the comment section, and then I will teach you how my confirmations are. So let's tune down to the 15 minutes time frame. Now this, we're still resting on the 4 hours time frame, and the 15 minutes time frame is actually our execution um, hour, our execution time frame. Now the anticipation is that price is coming down into the discount level. Okay, now it simply means that if you are interested in counter entry or counter trading, you can actually take a short position at this level here, your stop loss somewhere here, and then all the way into this level here. Okay, so you can take a position from this area to into the zone like this. So this will serve above, this will serve as your resistance level, and then your stop loss will be a little bit above it, and it's, we can say you're good to go in executing your trade at this point. So I'm using the XY to tell you the price direction of the dollar currency. Okay, so as we are anticipating a dip, that is a bearish move of the dollar, it simply means that any currency pair attached with the dollar pair, it simply means that dollar will not perform so well in the market because it is dropping. But if DXY, it is identifying bullish, it simply means that we should anticipate more of a buying price direction. Okay, so but right now we could see that from all indication we are on a retracement. So basically, from major currency pairs, we should be expecting a decline from the dollar currency. So that is that, guys. And if you have any question, you can reach out to me in the comment section. I would gladly love to respond to your question. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I make post of new videos. Thank you.